Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss Euro US dollar. Just like in my previous episodes, I have discussed pound dollar, dollar yen, gold US dollar, dollar Swiss franc. So today I'm going to discuss Euro US dollar. I have received so many requests for the analysis. So let's see, let's find out where the market is going and what we have to do. Today I will be touching the topic of trading psychology a little bit. Before I go further in detail of the analysis, let me tell you that the fireworks and the sounds you are hearing, sorry about that. It's too disturbing even for me as well while recording this episode. So sorry about that. Actually, the festival is coming and the kids are playing outside, and they are like fireworks and stuff like that. So today I'm going to discuss Euro US dollar, and I will be discussing a bit of trading psychology as well. So let's see what we get out from the Euro US dollar today. I'm so hopeful I will find a setup that will be so much accurate, so much easy to trade, and hopefully most traders will make money out of it. Well, I if it go negative, that will be purely the decision of the trader. I don't encourage anyone to trade right here through my YouTube videos. Well, yes, if you are my client, then I can give you those services. But if you follow the analysis properly, you will get the direction of the market and the setup, right? And hopefully you will be able to trade it. So first of all, I am right now on the H4 of the Euro US dollar. Just have a look at this chart. It seems very nice to me. Like at this particular moment, I am not going backward. Just have a look at this. Just study this chart right here and just see from where the market went up and where is the first breakout. This is so much important for you to understand, right? Where did Euro US dollar gave us like the first breakout? Just think about it, right? Just think about it a little bit. This is the market, right? And I will be discussing this whole impulsive wave, even the daily, weekly, even monthly. But I just asked you where we have got the first breakout. Like from here, we knew that something fishy is going on right here. Just have a look at it. The market went up. So let's see these whole traders who were making profits from the Euro US dollar. What happened right here? They took a losing trade of around 117 pips because of this reversal. No doubt it worked really well, but when I discuss daily and weekly, you this confusion will be cleared enough. But first, let's see this one. So they initially made profit of around, to me, I think the first trade after this break below. See, after this break below, it was tradable to the bottom side, but according to my strategy, this is not my trade. So I will count it from right here. And why? Let me tell you why I will say that if I was trading it, I definitely would trade it to the bottom side from here, not on this breakout. First of all, breakouts are sometimes false, but to me, that is also not a problem because I have a strategy which can tell me if this breakout is fake or if this is real. But for that, I have to study M15, M30, and M5, and it requires a lot of time, a lot of mental energy, I should say. So that's why I will assume that this is my tradable area. Like if I was looking at the market, definitely I would took this trade according to my strategy and how This is my strategy. We have got a breakout from this level, right? We have got a very nice breakout from the level. It's okay, fine. Let the market go down, down, down. We are doing nothing, right? Suddenly, when it started to go back up, that was the point to take a trade. At this point, when it was going up, where I was supposed to take a trade was at this breakout point. No, right here. At this particular breakout point, right here. Market was going up, 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 and my order was not filled, and the market came down. Now, I want to ask you, my friends, can I do this? Like, can I reverse it? Or was I like, did I have any control over the market to go up and fill my order? Absolutely not. So, when it was coming back, if I'm telling everyone I have lost this trade, my trade didn't got triggered, we have got a breakout, and then I was waiting for a retest and it didn't happen, and now I'm very sad. Is this the right approach? No, not at all. What I would do is definitely let the market go down, let it go down. But when it went back up, retest, and this rejection from the zone, now it seems that okay, I have to take this trade, my stop up there 181 pips, and the take profit 260 pips, right? Just have a look at this. Most traders would have got buy trades right here. They would say, okay, this is a very, very nice double bottom right here. No, my friends, if you are trading it to the sell side from the top, how can you say that you are going to take a buy right here? No, not at all. Let me show you this thing, this pattern actually. And when you get older in this market, I should say, not by age, but with practice, you will understand these things. Just have a look at this pattern, and let's switch to the H1. Let's see if I can find it. Just have a look at it. Just have a look at it. A very, very, very perfect trade. Now, most of the traders, when I say a breakout is fake, and I can know that in advance, how? This is the perfect example, a very, very perfect example. If an ABCD is going to come back down, this is a bearish one, right? At that time, it was a bearish one. Still, it is a bearish one. I'm discussing it right now. So, if I'm discussing it right now and it was a bearish one, if I was planning to take a buy trade, I would say, no, I cannot take a buy right here. Why? Because my ABCD, the D point of my pattern is somewhere else. So there is something else cooking on right here. And exactly that happened. See, that happened. Market took a nice retracement. 61. See, just 19 pips market went up, and another confirmation, my friends. So the first one we have got on the H4 right here, and the second one, a very tiny one. So if you have more practice, you will be able to catch these moves. You will be able to catch these moves. But if you have no proper practice, then obviously you will be sometimes trading buy, sometimes trading sell. So let's get back to the original stuff, which is going to cook right now. I hope you must have got my point, what I wanted to say. So my main question was, MT4 seems to be freezing. Okay, it's fine now. So my main question was that these sellers took a lot of profit from the market. If they lose this trade, that wasn't very, very bad for them, right? And the market obviously gave us a breakout from here. This was, remember, an initial breakout of the move, right? This is an initial one. Even we have got a retest. So the initial breakout, we have got a close above H4, close above 61.8. This is the top sign that okay, fib is having some trouble. See, just have a look at it. Even the sellers tried to push the market down, but they could not. So that was the early sign. We have got a breakout, a retest, the continuation. This was, to me, this wasn't tradable, because if I was going to trade this one, my stop would be this much, 200 pips, and my take profit will be just, since there is no ABCD right here. So my take profit would be just around 64 pips. Does that make any sense? No, not at all, my friends. In order, if I'm taking a risk of 200 pips, what I'm going to do is I will be trying to find a setup which will be giving me at least, if not 1:2, 1:3. Most of the time I target for 1:3 for the long term. But if, let's say, I'm day trading, I'm just trading on the H4, what I'm going to do is I am going to avoid such trade setups, my friends. Why? Because this much of take profit, no, this is not a professional attitude at all. So obviously we have got a breakout. This was again tradable, but since I don't trade breakouts on the H4, so not tradable. The market came back down, and here we have got this retest of the previous broken level. Just have a look at this. When this candle closed, that was the perfect place to take a buy. And I will be showing you. Just have a look at it. The market exactly bounces off from 61.8. So if I complete this pattern, oops, again the kids are so much angry. And here we have got the confirmation. So what's so difficult in this? Most of the traders I know, they keep making on mistakes again and again. My friends, this is not a good attitude. Please, if it's been more than 1 year and you are not making profit, please either hire a mentor, quit trading, start learning from the YouTube channels for free. Don't hire anyone. Let's say learn it for another 1 year and then give it a try. What's so difficult in this? A 61.8, a trade. And if I go into the detail of this false breakout, there must be something, right? So very nice one. And the market continued back up for almost like 318 pips. And in such trades, how much was your stop? Just imagine. Your stop was from where this whole move started. Almost right here. So 117 pips, which could easily give you good profits. Let's say you are a seller. Let's delete everything. Let's say you are a seller. This was also a good trade. See. And yet I have not merged this analysis with the RSI, right? So when I will be adding RSI with it, the image will be further clear, but I have to discuss the daily and the weekly time frames and give you a proper analysis and find a setup. So I may not be able to do that today. See, 61.8. What's difficult in this? Nothing. Identify it and trade it. Now let's get back to the original analysis and let's see. This was a bit of psychology side. Now the analysis, my friends. Let's move to the monthly and have a look at it from 1st April 2008. So 12, like in 2008, 2008 I got married. So almost like it's been 12 and 3, 15 years till now so far, I guess. I hope I did the calculation right. Even on the monthly, if you see, this is the top and the market dropped for 2914 pips, I guess. What's difficult in that? So to me, let's find out our trading ranges. This is our trading range and this is our trading range on the monthly, and this is the Fibonacci. Now let's find out what's going on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have got a nice support right here. Nice one. Not a good sharp move like this, but obviously it was a nice one. Those who took this previous support broken level, who took, just like I discussed it, one level broken can give you another trade. So this is a weekly time frame. 135 pips it went up and 363 pips it went down. What's so difficult in this? Nothing. So to me, on the monthly time frame, since this today is just 13th of April, this month I have feelings that maybe let's wait till tomorrow. If this candle closes above this zone, if we get this breakout to the top, then it will be approaching 1.13282 and maybe beyond that, right? Move on to the daily. We already have got a sort of breakout to the top right here. So according to the daily, it's going up. Let's see if there is any Fibonacci right here. Let's find an impulsive wave first. Sometimes it's so difficult to find an impulsive wave. Just have a look at it. But this one, it wasn't hard enough. According to the daily time frame, market has to go up till 1.13282. And this is the power of Fibonacci, my friends. This is the power of Fibonacci. Understand it and make money forever and ever. But obviously, if you are too greedy, that is something else. If I become too greedy right now, if I say I want to buy this whole sector where I live, each house cost around, let me do the calculation, like around 4, each house cost around $1,50,000. So if I say I want to buy this whole sector right now, I will become a greedy person, right? So I may not be able to make these profits then. That's why I say the amount I'm earning, that's so good. Why should I take so much risk? Because obviously if you are taking more risk than your equity, it means you are inviting insomnia. Do you know what insomnia is? Most of you will. But let me tell you that insomnia is something where a person cannot sleep due to depression and anxiety. And why that happens? That happens because we don't look for our potential profits. We always become so greedy. This is human nature. And if you want to become a Forex trader, you have to work on your personality. You have to be less greedy, even in your real life, apart from trading. So on the daily, it's clearly approaching 1.13282. Let's see if it closes today above this zone. It will definitely be approaching that. So now this is again like a very, very good like what should say analysis or setup for me, that okay, I can trade this 275 pips. It's going up and it's a very, very nice and tradable setup. And I can also say that okay, if I take this much profit, I will be taking sell from there in order to make further profits. And on the euro US dollar, remember my friends, the Fibonacci always work. You just have to identify the trend. And I have a very, very nice strategy on the trend lines, though further parts of that video has to be uploaded yet. But I'm like dealing with some family issues. Like I have to look after my kids as well because they are getting older and time will never come back. So if I'm earning money and if I'm happy, I should spend time with them. That's why I'm not covering each and everything. Otherwise, there is a lot of potential in Forex trading, my friends. You just have to take the decision that okay, you want to become a profitable trader, And you will. The day you take that decision that you are going to become a profitable trader, each and every setup you take will be always in your favor. Why? Because there will be a lot of uh, setup analysis or chart reading behind it. And my friends, remember, Forex is not something like you say, okay, take a sell from there and buy from here. No, you have to properly merge these things together. When I was new, I didn't knew this thing, but with the passage of time, I knew that psychology is something else as well. So I have classified forex trading. If you want to become a full-time professional trader, there are actually three fundamental or compulsory things that you have to consider. The first one is obviously the price action. If, let's say, if I don't wait here for this candle to close today and I take a buy trade, and the very next hour, when the after the lunch break in New York session, they decided, okay, a lot of people took buy trades right here emotionally, let's take them out of the market first. Can I stop it? Can you stop it? No, we cannot stop it, because we are, my friends, retailers. Okay, we are not hedge funds. So price action and the candle, obviously I will be waiting for it to close, and you should too. So these are some little analysis. I hope it will be helping you. This is like the start of my channel. If you see, this is my all-time favorite hobby. It became my hobby. I want to educate as many people as I can. I want more traders to trade my strategy, and obviously I know that this is the only strategy that will give you more profits. Thousands of examples are present right here. Thousands. If I go back since even the start of this year, you will find dozens of trade setups. Even if you know, if you want to find a setup with the Fibonacci on the M15, there is obviously something else going on right here. But if you want to take a buy trade on the, according to the Fibonacci on the M15, you have to look for the support resistance. See, the A, then the B to C, and then the C to D is completed, and the sellers took a sell trade. So on 15-minute, 20 pips is more than enough, right? So this was a little analysis plus tutorial or educational type of video. I hope it will be so much beneficial for you, and if you get any advantage from it, make sure to contact me. If you have any questions, you can contact me down below in the comment sections, or if you are interested to get the premium services, contact me on the WhatsApp number. But make sure only serious people contact me, right? That will be a big favor on me. Thank you. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's see what euro US dollar do tomorrow, and then we will be discussing it. Again, thank you so much for your time. Make sure to don't listen my words with one ear and exit it with another one, right? When you listen to me, keep it there in your head at least for 2-3 days, and then it will be staying there, because after all, if you follow me correctly, you will be getting profitable. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.